Hey everybody, my name's Corian, and today we're going to be taking a look at this Sabre 37Flh. This is quickly becoming one of our most popular floor plans thanks to this front living area that's beautiful. You can entertain up here really easily, lots of room for seating. Sleeping, you can sleep up to 4 adults up here. You have a half bathroom downstairs so you don't have to run your guests through your master suite. You have a big spacious chef kitchen with a lot of storage and countertop space. You have a king bed in that master suite, big his and hers dual vanity, tall shower, washer dryer prep. This floor plan really does have it all. So let's get into it. Starting up front of the 37Flh, you'll have the big front living room, so you can seat up to 6 people. You have USB ports and 110 on the side to that big TV. Fireplace that'll heat this whole area, a little bit of storage. Here's the first of 2 sleeper sofas, as well as the zebra shades here. Quickly demonstrate how those work. You pull it down, and you can actually black it out in here. So you can play with those to let in as much or as little light as you want. You have the theater style seating, which is great, comfortable, wall hugger, it'll go all the way back. And the second set of a sleeper sofa, so you can sleep up to 4 adults up here, as I'll show you. Now I have both sofas pulled out and you can see what it looks like when they're out. Can't really get in between them, but you can still sleep 4 people up here, so it's really handy that they'll pull out for you. Heading on down into the kitchen, you'll see you have a big beautiful fridge, island with solid surface countertops, a big farm style deep basin sink, got a big microwave, pantry, your oven's there, a little corner pantry over there with a little catch-all area for USB ports, 110 powers in there, you can charge your devices in there. You have a 4-person dinette, big beautiful windows. Then you have your breakfast bar over here, so you have a little extra area to put stuff. You have another pantry, extra storage down below. Really amazing area if you're into cooking. And you have your control panel cluster over here as well. So we tightened it up this year. It's all in one place. You have the LCI 1 controller right here. That will control your lights, slides, awnings, and auto leveling. You can also connect that to your smartphone. Your thermostat for your 15K ACs that we equip on the Sabres. Your voltage meter that is a part of the juice pack option. Most Sabre dealers equip Sabres with the juice pack option, which is a 50-watt solar panel that's roof mounted. You get a 12-volt battery from the factory, that voltage meter, as well as a charge controller. Then you have some switches for your water heater, water pump, as well as some lights and tank indicators. Next we'll take a look inside the bathroom. That is a half bathroom. So you get a porcelain toilet down below, big sink, medicine cabinet, gets the job done for your guests. And then you head on back to the master suite. And you have a big king bed slide, storage up above, plenty of space over there for your clothes. Head on back into the master suite bathroom. You have his and hers sinks, lots of medicine cabinet storage, and underneath you have storage as well. Over to my right is your big tall shower in the corner, the seat, and this is your stackable washer dryer prep area. You have extra space in here to either put some clothes, extra items, or you can put a washer and a dryer in there for a stackable setup. Now on the exterior of the 37Flh, you'll see we have a spare tire housed up front, as well as an inverter, space for 2 batteries, controls for your auto leveling system, and docking lights are up there. You have your front cargo area. It's nice and deep, wide for front living. It also is lit. You have a leash latch there aside for the pets. More stable steps going on up in there. Now on the side here, I'll showcase the 15-inch steel belt tires. It's on 7,000-pound axles of the Sabres, fully welded I-beam frames, rack and pinion system. We'll never use cable slides, always that rack and pinion or a Schwintek system on the sides. You have your outside kitchen with the fridge, storage, water hookups, as well as LP Quick Connect. Then on the back, you have a hitch and ladder that are both rated for 300 pounds, fully walkable roof. There's backup camera prep above. On the side here, you'll have the 50-amp service that we use on all Sabres. All underbellies are fully enclosed and heated. We vacuum bond all of our slide walls and slide boxes, and they're 2 inches thick for extra insulation. Here next to the 10-gallon water heater is the all-in-one station for your water hookups, wind rising system, and an outside shower, all in one place.